We're in a development coming in from the Punjab and Haryana High Court, which seems to have commuted a man's death sentence to life for raping and murdering a 5-year-old girl in 2018, while acquitting his mother on charges of conspiracy to save him, observing that the women often have blind love for their precious sons and regard them as Raja Betas, no matter how imperfect or villainous they might be. Now, this development is coming in from the Punjab and Haryana High Court, also commuting the man's sentence to life term. The death sentence has now been commuted to life term. Akanksha, because saying that he must stay inside the four walls of the prison until he is closer to the sunset of his virility.
Absolutely, and the court has said that the only fault of the mother, as you also pointed out, she has been acquitted of all the charges. The only fault was that she was trying to protect her Raja Beta. Here's the order copy. Let me take you through the details. It mentions, unfortunately, in this part of the country, family members, especially mothers, often have such blind love for their precious son that no matter how perfect or villainous they might be, they are still regarded as Raja Betas. Kamla Devi, now she was, in fact, she's one of the accused in the case. Now she's been acquitted after discovering that her Raja Beta Bolu was not gullible as his name suggested. He had assaulted and brutally killed a girl child aged 5, shielding her son instead of informing the police or seeking justice for Lado. This social attitude, however appalling, is not new. It is deeply embedded in the region's patriarchal mindset. The court also went on to say that Kamla Devi's only fault is that she was trying to protect her Raja Beta, for which she cannot be punished under the Indian Penal Code, however condemnable her conduct may be. Thus, there is no legally admissible evidence to make out a case for criminal conspiracy or destruction of evidence against Kamla Devi, and the conviction and the sentence of Kamla Devi for the offence punishable under the section are quashed and set aside, and she is acquitted. Now, very important to mention here is that the court had convicted her earlier. In fact, as far as the son is concerned, for murdering and raping the minor, he was given a death sentence. The High Court has commuted that death sentence to life imprisonment. And as far as mother is concerned, as mentioned here, Kamla Devi's only fault is that she was just trying to protect her Raja Beta.
तो एक बार मनोज के पास भी चलते हैं आकांक्षा. थैंक यू फॉर दैट अपडेट. मनोज, अपने बेटे को बचाने की आड़ में एक माँ ये भूल गई कि 5 साल की बच्ची के साथ क्या दुष्कर्म किया उनके बेटे ने.
बिल्कुल, पंजाब और हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट ने यही ऑब्जर्वेशन दिया और बड़ी जो टिप्पणियां की हैं उनकी बड़ी चर्चा हो रही है. और उन्होंने बताया कि जो मदर है कमला देवी, जिनके बेटे को दोषी पाया गया था और मौत की सजा हाई कोर्ट ने सुनाई थी, हालांकि अब उसको उम्र कैद में बदल दिया गया है, तो कोर्ट ने यही कहा है कि कमला देवी की गलती इतनी थी कि उन्होंने अपने बेटे के का जो अपराध है, जो जुर्म है, उसको छिपाने की कोशिश की. और ये दिखाता है कि हमारे देश में, खासकर देश के इस हिस्से में, किस तरीके से जो माँ है वो अपने बेटे को राजा बेटा समझती हैं, भले ही उसके जो कर्म है, उसके जो व्यवहार है वो बिल्कुल राजा बेटा जैसा ना हो, भले ही वो बहुत बड़ा विलन हो.
Patriarchal mindset which is deep rooted in the society, something that has been observed by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. मनोज, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. Heading into a short break, you're watching Times Now.